What's going on, everybody? This is Michael Sandoval with Above and Beyond Pools. We're out here today at the swimming pool that we just finished. And what we're going to do is we're going to install the automatic water leveler float valve, okay? So I've already pulled the plug, but this little plug right here was right here. That's where this plug was, okay? So I pulled it off. After I pulled it off, we walked over and we turned the valve on to breathe any PVC, any glue, so that when we put the new float valve on, that debris doesn't clog it. So pulled this plug. After we pulled the plug, went ahead and flushed the line. After we flushed the line, we're going to come in here and we're going to use some Teflon tape, okay? So I'm going to Teflon tape the threads to this float valve so that we have a nice tight seal when installing this float valve, okay? We like these float valves here. This is a good float valve. We're going to go ahead. What I also like to do is I like to take off the actual float itself so that these are easier to put in. And what we're going to do is we're going to thread it in right here on the side, and we're going to continue to twist it until it's tight. This particular float valve is going to go to almost all the threads are gone. Once it does that, we're going to go ahead and put the float back on it, turn the water on, and start to adjust it. So I've only gone so far hand tight. Now I'm going to continue cranking it with my tool here, with my channel locks, so that I can get this on there nice and tight so that it will not leak, folks. So almost done here. A couple more turns, like so. Okay, I think that's good. Then what we do is we get this here, we come in and we put the float back on like so. Tighten it hand tight about to where I think the adjustment's going to be, about right there. Then I'm going to run back over there. I'm going to turn the water on. When I turn the water on, this thing's going to shoot water, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my best to adjust this based on what I believe is halfway up the water line tile, because that's where we want this float valve to ultimately be. And then I'm going to come back tomorrow. I'm going to check it. I'm going to check the water level. After I check the water level, I'm going to adjust this with this little wing nut right here. I'm either going to go up or I'm going to go down to dial it in exactly at the water level height that we need it. But that's how you install an automatic water leveler float valve and an automatic water leveler mung box on a swimming pool, folks. Thanks for watching. Mike Sandoval, Above and Beyond Pool Remodeling, 480-830-9209, aabpools.com. Look us up. We can help you.